Welcome to this new current affair topic where India and Japan are signing the logistic agreement. I've already talked about made a videos on supply chain resilience initiative that is mooted by Japan, where India and Australia are invited. Please go on my channel and watch it. That's that SCRI video, supply chain resilience initiative. You will understand it better. And after that news, this news is continuing that logistic agreement. Okay. So what is the background? Like initially, like what happened in supply chain resilience initiative, like SCRI, that Japan was completely dependent upon China for all its resources for manufacturing its countries. Now due to COVID situation, due to lockdown, all its industries was stuck. So Japan thinks like, why we are dependent upon only one country, and further China do not have does not have good relations with all its neighbor. So similarly, so all the neighbors are trying to avoid China. So and one more thing, that Japan did not want to be dependent upon particular one country for its all resources, for its major part of resources. So Japan is inviting other countries to come and build industries in their country. Similarly, Japan will also go to other country and establish their own industries there. So it will global initiative, like they want to be as a distributive kind of things, like they want to establish a distributive kind of thing. So now the Japan is moves towards initiating that logistic agreement. So now the armed forces, especially Navy, have services and supplies at other designated ports, because India wanted to have a blue water navy. Like what is blue water navy? Blue water navy means like operation capability. Like if a ship starts from one shore, like if ship starts from this shore, so this have a capability to go far of the distances without taking oil and all from its source. So that is blue water navy, like they want to get. So because India wanted to have a blue water navy, similarly Sri Lanka also have moved toward this blue water concept. So blue water navy means operational capability to far distance from its own source without taking oil and other things from other ports, okay, without standing on other ports. So India has been signing this agreement with many countries, where Japan is the sixth one. Okay, like it is not like this is the first time India has done. Japan is the sixth country from whom India has signed it. Other countries are like are serially, that first it was US, then France, then Singapore, then South Korea and Australia. Now it is Japan. So with Russia, it has also been initiated, it is called ARLS, so Agreement on Reciprocal Logistic Supports. Similarly with US is LEMOA, Australia with MLSA. So it is not like something new is happening with Japan. Japan is the sixth one, and India is moving toward. India is also want to move with a logistical agreement with different countries, so they do not have to be dependent upon only one country for its resources. Okay. So how will it help? How will it help the country of different countries, not India only, other countries too? So it will enhance the interoperability between the armed forces of India and Japan, thereby further increasing the bilateral defense engagement under the special strategic and global partnership between the two countries. See, now we are talking about with respect of defense and all. Okay, in that supply chain resilience initiative lecture that has been uploaded on my channel as a current affair topic, in that you will find that we are not only talking about defense kind of things, we are also talking about other resources for industries and all. So in this logistic agreement, basically, like if this is individually, like particularly with India and Japan. In SCRI, it was initiated by Japan, and it called India and Australia, and other Southeast nations was there, but most important was India and Australia. Other has not been invited yet, but they will come. So for SCRI, it was like for industries kind of thing. Now this logistic agreement was connected with the defense and all. army and defense engagement and all. Okay, it will make it easier for the Indian ships and aircraft to operate in areas like the South China Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so in the South China Sea you will see here, then in Pacific Ocean you will find it here. So it is now North America and South America, so here will Pacific Ocean and all. Okay, so it is mainly aimed at greater maritime cooperation and can dramatically upgrade India Japan naval exercise, as the participants are expected to share maritime facilities for mutual benefit. So I have already said one video was also there made on the Andaman and Nicobar facility, like militarizing the Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, so due to that many ships were trapped with the other mafias and all present in the sea. So this will tackle by the Indian Navy. Indian Navy, or like all the authorities are present, that one center is there. It is not like Indian Navy is controlling over that. Forces are there, army will also be there, air force will also be there in Andaman and Nicobar. So I have also made videos on that thing, you can go on my channel. Okay, so these are the benefits of having that logistical agreement. So what does it mean actually? So the agreement enables a framework of closer cooperation between the armed forces of India, between the armed forces of India and Japan in the reciprocal provisions of supplies and services, which means that India and Japan forces can share food, fuel, or even spares during the bilateral training activities. So see, now we are including some SCRI part, supply chain resilience initiative part, in this one. That food we also involved, and shares fuels are also been involved. Okay, so bilateral training, so United Nations peacekeeping operations, humanitarian, international relief, and other mutually agreed activities are present. Okay, I hope you like the videos. Please like and subscribe. The payment that you are making is just by subscribing the channel. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please ping me on my Twitter handle given in the descriptions. Further, I will make videos on demand if you want. I hope you like the video, and I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you.